Dental fillings are the most common treatment option for tooth decay and various dental problems. There are many different kinds of dental filling material available that each have their distinct advantages and disadvantages. The choice of the ideal dental filling materials for your specific needs may be difficult. When you have the proper facts, you'll be able to make a sound decision. In this clip, we'll go over the things to think about when deciding on the appropriate dental filling materials that will meet your specific needs. One of the most commonly used forms of dental fillings is amalgam. Amalgam fillings consist of an amalgam of various metals which include mercury, silver, copper, and tin. They are well known for their long-lasting properties and typically used for fillings inside the back teeth. But there are some who are concerned with the use of mercury in amalgam fillings and would choose to stay clear of them for the same reason. Composite fillings are another common alternative for dental fillings. The fillings comprise the combination of glass and plastic and may be customized to the shade of your natural teeth. Composite fillings appear more visually attractive than amalgam fillings, but they won't last as long or be more susceptible to cracking and chipping. Another option to fill in dental cavities are those made of ceramic. The fillings made of ceramic material which is fixed onto the tooth. They are strong and attractive, but they may cost more as compared to other kinds of fillings. In selecting the appropriate filling material to fit your demands, you have to take into consideration the placement that the filling is placed. The amalgam fillings are usually preferred for fillings that are placed in back teeth where they won't be visible. Ceramic or composite fillings might be an ideal choice for fillings placed on front teeth where aesthetics matter more. Another aspect to think about when selecting a filling for your dental material is the price. Fillings with amalgam tend to be the cheapest option, but ceramic fillings could be the highest priced. Composite fillings can be found in between. It is essential to discuss the price of fillings made from different material with your dentist so that you can find the right option that fits your financial budget. Durability is another crucial factor to think about when selecting the material for dental fillings. Amalgam fillings are renowned for their long-lasting properties and are able to endure for years. Composite fillings might not last as long and could require replacing regularly. Ceramic fillings are also strong, however, they can be more susceptible to chipping and cracking than other kinds of fillings. Also, it is important to think about all sensitivities, allergies, or other issues which you might experience when selecting the dental filling material. There are some people who may be allergic to particular metals in amalgam fillings. However, other people may have sensitivities to the components employed in composite and ceramic fillings. It's crucial to discuss your allergies and sensitivities with your dentist prior to choosing the dental filling material. Selecting the appropriate tooth filling product is a critical option that needs to be chosen carefully. If you take into consideration factors such as where the filling will be priced, how durable, and allergies or sensitivities, you may be able to decide with confidence on which dental filling material is best that meets your specific needs. It is important to examine your options with your dentist before making which is the best option to protect your dental health.